In this video, you will see how to insert a footnote in Word document. It's very easy. If you are writing a reference and you need to insert the footnote, then what you need to do is just select the position or click after the word where you want to insert the footnote. Then click here on the reference tab. The footnote option is available under the references tab. After clicking, here is the insert footnote option. Just click on this option and you will see a number, and at the bottom you will see the footnote. So just type what you want inside the footnote. And now if you want to insert another footnote, let's say we will insert the footnote before this footnote number 1. So after clicking after the word, just click on insert footnote, and as you can see, the numbering appears and is arranged automatically. Now you can type what you want in the footnote. And if you want to delete this footnote, you can simply delete using your delete button, and the numbering will be changed accordingly. In this way, you can insert a footnote in Word document. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos related to Microsoft Word. See you again in the next one.